So this truck is basically my home on wheels. So I want to make sure that it's always in tip-top condition. And you know, the thing about these trucks, if they're not running, they're not working, I'm not making money, I can't make a living for my family. So it's important to always keep on top of the maintenance on them, check the oil regularly, change the oil regularly, you know, diffs, make sure that my diffs have oil in them. But you know, it's just like anything else. You want to stay on top of it because this is your money maker. You want to make sure that it's always ready to go out on the road and make money. When you're an owner operator like I am, you know, these trucks, this is how I make my living. If the trucks are down, if they're not working properly, I can't make my living. So for me, it's just important. Every time we go on the road, you know, we're constantly going through the trucks, making sure that they're 100% the way they should be, because the truck's down, I can't help people, I can't do the mine rescue, and the truth be told, I can't make a living. You know, me personally, I researched for a few years before I actually made the decision to get new trucks and new bodies and cranes, but I looked at everything, and ultimately I went with PALFINGER, and there's a lot of reasons, but it's a big investment, and you want to make sure that the money that you're putting out is worth the product you're getting, and I did.
PALFINGER.